Ma'am, boss, interviewin lang po ka namin. Anong masasabi mo sa sa foods natin sa Big Royce?
Ang masasabi ko lang is, English ko na lang para hindi ako mahirapan. Okay, kahit marunong ako magtagalog. Pero, all I can say is that I've been hearing about Big Royce still in the US. I've been watching him in his own vlog. He's so good, but, you know, it doesn't really get in me, right? Until I really feel it on myself, right? And then everybody say, oh, it's so good, that, this and that. And until I got over here, my family goes, hey, you gotta really try it. So now I'm here right now. You know what? Never failed, man. It's the best food. You gotta come down there. If you want to try, you gotta come down there. Because you're missing out right now. You gotta come down right here, you know what I mean? Come on down. I'm telling you right now. Alright, see you.
Naintindihan ko lang boss yung you wanna try. Yun lang. Ano lang yung naintindihan ko, you wanna try. Boss, maraming salamat po. Galing US pa po si Sir. Uwi po siya dahil Pasko rin. Tapos dumala po siya dito sa Big Royce. Sir, maraming salamat po.
The best.
Yung mga Bisaya dire, taga Surigao talaga. Guys, ay mga kababayan po tayo. Masapin lang natin. Boss, interviewin ka boss. Taga Surigao.
Hi guys,
Taga Surigao ni si boss. Boss, ano may order nimo?
Ano lang, milk tea.
Milk tea na.
Strawberry.
Available po guys ang milkshake dire naapon, nachos kung mag-inom mo. Okay po. Boss, thank you Thank you sa pag-suporta.
Congrats kay Aaron. Grabe, sobrang sikat. Surigao. Grabe, sobrang appreciate ko yung effort na meron ako dati. May trabaho ko, work from home.
Thank you boss Maraming salamat.
Congrats.